Okay, so today we're gonna talk about what's inside of your grocery store scanner. Now, I take the top part off, and I need to fully disclose that this is dangerous. Laser is very powerful, could blind you. So, since I'm already blind and curious, and I know that, and so take that as a precaution. So, let's talk about what each component is. So we have a speaker that makes that ding sound. We have a laser right here that shoots the laser to here, and the laser reflected back to here and here. Okay. Now there's another mirror right here as well. Also a mirror right here as well. So you can see right there is a mirror, very reflected. So once you had that, here's your they call it sensor for reading the QR code, UPC, and this is for a basic UPC. It cannot read a QR code whatsoever or any other dynamic QR code or version of the QR code. Reason that being is because this is not a capable device. It's built and made in China and really cheap. So over here is your magnetic sensor. So once it's giving power, it will sense power to here or sense a magnetic field going back and forth very fast. I do not know how fast it is, but it is super fast. Now, um, there is also a LED light and receiving light. This is a typical knockoff Chinese made scanner, and it works for whatever purpose. Okay, so that's also, it's not based on what you see. This does not work with a phone. So if you have a QR code or UPC on your phone, don't expect this to pick it up. It doesn't work. It works based on paper or something like that. So I mean, we have a sample of DVD or PlayStation game. This is not mine, so I don't know anything about. So once I give a power, you will see the mirror start flashing, and you will see this mirror right here will take information. Now also, you will notice this light right here, where my finger is, it will start comes on. Now, I don't want to blind you guys, so I'm gonna shoot it down so you can see it is right there. See? Now, once it start flashing, watch. So I'm gonna let it hold solid. See that? So that light blinks really quickly. Now you can see that refresh rate. I know that's pretty dizzy. So once I point it, scan it like this, it will pick it up quickly. See that? I don't have to intervene and it just pick it up. Now my camera want to be blurry, so I'm gonna just walk it really close. See? Too close does not help. So that's basically the function of the scanner. Now over here on the bottom is your antenna. So you don't have to worry about it unless yours is wireless like mine. I lost my receiver, so this is basically exclusively USB-B, called a data cable, also known as printer cable, direct. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.